My love, I am waiting for you. Okay, I am going to buy some Christmas gift and I want you to tell me your favorite color you want in your dress and your favorite color that you wear in your shoe because I want to get everything ready before you arrive because I cannot wait to have you here, my love. I am so happy that you will be here to spend the Christmas holidays with me and the kids, and I will take you to many places that you have never been before. We will go to beach with the kids to swim together. I'm so happy, my love. I love you so much, my beautiful angel, my love. I am thinking about you all the time, and I am missing you all the day. I am thinking because I really want us to be together. I have waited so long from my childhood, but I really want to spend the rest of my life with you. You are my dream woman, and I hope very soon you will be here with me for us to be together.